Yes, welcome back. So we're still taking a look at the app.js. So this is where we made the imports for the models that are needed for this our basic component, the app component to work. So this app component is like a container for the rest of the components that will be created. So we are having a function based component, and that's why we have function app. Then it's going to have this return function that is going to return what you want to be shown. And here you are having the logo, the header, and other things. So you can see it. So this is actually what we are seeing when we run this code here. This edit src app, that is what we are seeing here. So you can see that it's running very fine. Now here that we have image src equal to logo. Inside this curly bracket is what we can this gss code. So we can actually here can actually contain any valid javascript code. So the previous class I was explaining a class based component, but this is a function based component. So you write function and the name of the component, then use return to return what you want to be shown on your page. But take note, I think you are having a class based component, it would have been class, then you write the app name, or you say class app extends uh, component. In that case you must, or you say in that case you must have imported as a variable here component from react, or you just simply say class app extends react dot components. So that is how you write the react base. Then it must have a return a render function. So this render function will now have this return, but in function base you can just simply write the function and the name of the component, then you say return, then you write what you want to be contained using JSX. So this is what we call JSX, which is transpired into normal JavaScript. And also note that anytime you have a curly bracket like this, you can put a valid JavaScript file. So this is our app.js. This is a function based component. In subsequent classes we'll move further on this. Thank you.